It was nice. I was happy to be there. It was a humbling experience. Many nga artist many do performing weka. It's very humbling being on stage with other people, and you have to kind of tone down yourself so that everybody can be accommodated on that stage. So for me, it was humbling. It was nice to see Uganda your music, like the real music, the beautiful harmonies, the actual talent. We are trying to put them on your era, and we actually thought that our fans didn't care anymore. Namweekanga. Because nalaba adi batuweleza adi ya Sheebah did an ad between abantu kama buli ma posting no. So nendowooza kuba sometimes our artists tukola ad nengo naku tuli busy tulina shendala. So nalaba artist bangi mwana tetutera kwewagira bwentyo It was amazing okulaba Nina Rosie, Rema yaliyo, Mama Halima, Rachel K, okitegeera, Lydia Jasmine was there. It was so, it was very heartwarming kuba tubana abayimbi abalala bakozi bazotuwagira. So nawulira bulungi nga naye kwali. So I mentioned everybody, and I also mentioned her. Do you know it's good to see artists supporting other artists? So it was very heartwarming to see her there. It was just kuwagira tagenda kuyimba tagenda kola atudde kuwagira other artists was nice.
Abali bagamba ati azzo muyigirize ku lunaku olwo.
Wasimanya nze kyemanyi nti Lilian mukwano gwe nnyo. So ayinza okubanga yali azzo okulaba Lilian, but on the stage twaliko basatu. So that recognition of just seeing her there appreciating everybody it was nice. Simanyi mukama kyanjagaza sometimes. No, sometimes I don't know, because it feels good to be in a place that you can lift others, But for you to lift others, you need to first lift yourself. And the only way that you see is when you see people like that coming back to you. Abola antikati ba recognizing mukama wakutadde kinawo betaga kwegatta kumanyi go bali kubatuke waje bagala okulaga. So for me it's humbling. I'm grateful. Never za mukama nti yapa success dinafuna tinsobola otulaawo nenyamba ko banange abatandika nange nti bali bavudde on the radar, some life happened to them, but then I'm in a position okubayamba okuba what's to again to them tukole. So I'm happy ate kubanga they deserve to be there, but talented by number goes gabaga chaliwo na buli kimu. I know bamanyiza at first such believing. The first, I think, even 3-4 years, I didn't believe. People are exaggerating it. I can't believe, because me and Jackie, we tested alcohol together the first time. Because when we were in Blue 3, I'd never taken alcohol until I was in Blue 3. So we're at an event, Lilian was a bit more experienced with alcohol at that time. So me and her, I remember it was a Smirnoff Ice. It was because we were staying together in South Africa in the same room. So it was like, yes, try alcohol. This for the first time. So we took our first bottle of alcohol together, like I saw her and we were together, and it was silly and we laughed about it. So nzokukkiriza nti Jackie avuda na to come level of addiction. It took me a very long time, because I'm like, Yampita Katia. How did she pass by me? So I'm just it's the difference between her and me is a decision that we make. I cannot say to Yobanze I'm very strong, the sikwati wako. No, this can affect anyone.